Understanding tuning pegs. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of music and discover what tuning pegs are and why they're so important. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a beginner in the world of string instruments, or just curious, stay tuned to learn more about this crucial component. Tuning pegs are an integral part of many stringed instruments like guitars, violins, and cellos. These small but mighty tools are located on the headstock of an instrument and are responsible for holding the strings in place. By turning the pegs, musicians can tighten or loosen the strings, which in turn changes the pitch of the sound. This process is known as tuning. The primary role of tuning pegs is to ensure that an instrument is in tune, meaning that it produces the correct notes when played. This is essential not only for solo performances but also when playing in a band or orchestra where harmony is key. Tuning is a skill that musicians often practice to ensure their instrument always sounds its best. There are various types of tuning pegs, depending on the instrument and the player's preference. Some are simple and manual, requiring the musician to turn them by hand, while others are more sophisticated with built-in gears, known as machine heads, which make tuning easier and more precise. To use tuning pegs, you'll turn them clockwise to tighten the string and raise its pitch, or counterclockwise to loosen it and lower the pitch. It's important to make these adjustments gently to avoid snapping the string. A good practice is to tune up to the desired note, rather than down to it, which helps maintain tension and keeps the string in tune longer. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of tuning pegs and how they contribute to the beautiful music produced by stringed instruments. Remember, tuning is a crucial step before playing any piece. Keep practicing, and you'll be a tuning pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.